Good morning. As you can see, got big red here behind me. Gotta go up to my mate Mark, and we're both going to go to Moore River Brewery up there for a ride, get us a drink. As you can see, beautiful day. So the weather is actually perfect for this ride. I'm really looking forward to it. Well, I've got a full tank. Only done 70 k's, so I don't need to fill up. So we're just heading out of my suburb. Tap in, this is Bankshire Shopping Centre. Okay, this is the edge of Bankshire suburb. I see you got your bike out all ready to go. Yeah, let's have a look. Better turn around and have a look. Oh, nice one. Nice. Well, somewhere new is always good, isn't it? Haven't been here before. And it's not too far. Okay. Lovely out here. You got the river just down there. Got the river over here too. Yeah. Next time I come, I'll bring that drone.
Yeah.
It's quite nice, isn't it?
Put your canoe in there, and then you can canoe kayak
all the way
down to here.
We're going to go home a different way now to the bird sanctuary. Right, and we're off and going. Hello. Hello. Come on. Come on. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yeah. Yes. Hey. He's a good boy. Here you go. I'm friendly. Hmm? He's nice, isn't he? Look at that. Oh dear.
Hello, how you going? Yeah, good.
Look how nice this is. It's got tables and. Hi. Oh, that's very, very tempting. Your ice cream there, Mark.
Lovely.
How's it?
Goat
Goat?
milk latte.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how'd you rate that out of 10?
Oh, 10 out of 10. But it's from a local place around the corner and just close to our place.
Very peaceful out here in the country. $20 adults concession, 15 children, 10. This is very close to where Mark lives. It's all out country, it's nice. Sorry about all the bug splats. I can put it down here. Should be nothing out here, it's usually just out country. So I got to his place about midday and it's 3:45 now. So it's been a nice afternoon riding, getting around. Petrol gauge is going down. Still got 132 k's left in the tank, nothing to worry about. My house is just around the corner, not too far now. It's nice to go for a ride, but it's always nice coming home. This is a little park down the bottom of the hill from where we live. There's also one opposite us at the top of the hill. There's quite a few little parks around. Alright, home sweet home. Open sesame. There you go. Oh, that's good. Nice to be home. It's a lovely ride. Okay, for some of you out there, you're probably wondering what this is. That there, Bluetooth with this camera. So when I'm riding, I just have to push record and it'll record. If I press it again, it stops. So I'm not recording my whole trip, just where I want to. So I can choose. And down here, this one here, that's my tyre pressures. So at the moment it's 39 at the front, 41 at the back. That's after some hot riding. I've just got home. So that's what those are for, if you're wondering. And this here, I just made this so that I can put pullbacks, which are these, and risers, which are those there in the front. So it lifts up the handlebars up and back, so I can sit up more straight when I'm riding. Before there used to be a little storage area here, with a button you could flick open and put things in, and you couldn't put these on if you had that storage area, so I took it off and just made this myself. As you can see, it's getting a little bit chipped now. Have to sort of tidy it up a bit, but that's my bike, and it was a lovely ride. Hope you enjoyed it.